After talaq on WhatsApp and talaq through a postcard, now comes a case of a woman being divorced through a newspaper advertisement. This shocker comes from Hyderabad, where a young woman has now filed a police complaint after her husband left for Saudi Arabia without telling her, and she had to read of the talaq through a newspaper ad. Mushtaquddin is an employee of a bank in Riyadh in Saudi Arabia. He got married to the complainant in 2015. The couple have a baby girl. On the 24th of February, the young woman's husband flew off to Riyadh. On the 4th of March 2017, she came to know that he divorced her through a newspaper ad. The lady has now approached police in Hyderabad seeking criminal action. She has filed a criminal complaint against her husband and claims he ridiculed the Sharia through his actions.
मेरे को मेरे हस्बैंड तलाक दे दिए, ये मेरे को मालूम नहीं हुआ, मेरे साथ रहे जब तक तो कुछ भी नहीं मालूम था। मेरे को बाहर चले गए, उन्होंने 24 के दिन बाहर चले गए। उसके बाद में मेरे को न्यूज़पेपर के ज़रिए मेरे को मालूम हुआ कि मेरे को तलाक दे दी, बल्कि उन्होंने ऐसा शरीयत का मजाक उड़ा दिया जैसा हो गया।
Let me quickly bring in India Today's Vidya for more on the story. Vidya, now the lady and her husband, they were living together. They were married in Saudi Arabia. They came back to India for a vacation, and that's where he went off without telling her and divorced her through a newspaper ad. So what's the woman planning to do now?
After a divorce through post, this is another shocking incident of a woman getting divorced through newspaper advertisement, and the woman has still been in a state of shock. The fact that the husband had sneaked back to Saudi Arabia without telling her. She had been trying to get in touch with the family, with her husband, but was not able to do so. And notwithstanding any other help that she was getting, she has certainly approached the police.
Okay, but do the police have a role in this? Can the police intervene? You've been speaking to the police in Hyderabad. What role are they playing now?
The fact that husband had left the woman back at her house, she was staying with her mother. He just sneaked away without telling them about where he was going. She tried to, the woman had tried to get in touch with him. He clearly did not come on the phone. He refused to speak to her. And the fact that this entire advertisement, came in the way, and that's how the woman got to know in March that she was divorced. Well, there is a lot of pent-up anger against her. She certainly, at this point, wants justice. She says that, she felt cheated. She and her both 10-month-old baby, both of them need to get justice, is what she has been talking about.
Okay. And what does justice mean for her? Does she want to get back to her husband? Does she want criminal action against him? Is she approaching clerics to get back to him? What does she plan to do?
Well, the police has not registered a case as yet. They had been trying to get in touch with the husband. They spoke to him as well. However, the husband has refused to come back to India and take his wife. He says very clearly that the divorce has happened. The family of the husband is also really not been really supportive, and that's one of the reasons now the police are certainly mulling over what exactly they can do. The legalities of how they go about it, which sections they need to apply, how to go about getting the husband back for the justice to be served. Those are the things that they are really looking into, but certainly a case will be registered is what the Hyderabad police is assuring.
Okay. Vidya, keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more. Vidya, they're reporting from Hyderabad.